Hey friends, today is an exciting day because in the past, many of you have asked us how you could put your browser check code into version control and automatically sync it from GitHub. And let me tell you that you can now do just that with a new feature that we call GitHub Sync. The feature is currently in public beta and we're looking for feedback, but let me show you how it works. What you see here is that we're in the ChecklyHQ GitHub repository inside of a checks directory. And this directory already holds many different browser checks. So we can open up the docs.check.js file here, and you see that it includes a run function, it goes to a certain page, and it does an assertion against this page's title. And if you have used Checkly before, you might notice, hey, wait a second. Is it now possible to require and load local JavaScript files and dependencies? And I'm excited to tell you, yes, this is possible using GitHub Sync, and we think that this will change how you use Checkly and structure your browser checks quite a little bit. But let's set one up. I'm going over to Checkly and you see here a browser check. The only thing that I did is I changed its name, and let's hit the sync from GitHub button. We can open the GitHub integration here. We can turn on sync code from GitHub. Now we have to choose the repository that we want to sync the code from, and we can go here to checklyhq.com. Now we have to choose a syncing strategy, and I'm just waiting for commits to a specific branch. You can also wait for certain deployments. I won't explain how this works right now, but you can read more about it in the docs. Let's pick a GitHub branch, and we're taking GitHub Sync beta release here because I'm not allowed to push to main directly. We have here the file path to this browser check file. And what we now can do is we can hit the sync from GitHub button, and Checkly wants us first that we don't override the stuff that we have in this browser check. I think that's fine for now. So let's apply and close. And you see here now that this is the code that is included in my GitHub repository. Let's save this and let me prove to you that this actually works. So when we now go here and add a little hello world here, and let me add it, commit it, and push it to this branch that we just selected, we can now refresh the browser check here, and Checkly automatically picks up the new code so that you can now sync your browser checks and put them into version control. If you want to learn more, there's a new section in the docs that's called Syncing Code from GitHub, and we're excited to hear what you think about this. So play around with it and let us know how it goes. And with this, happy syncing!